Take a ride in the 2025 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full-throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, steel wheels, wheel covers, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.